Ever notice how you work so hard, get your paycheck, and somehow it's gone before the month ends? That's no accident. Banks don't want you to get rich. They want you in debt. Credit cards, loans, interest, the whole system is designed to keep you trapped. If you're still here, congratulations. You're already in the top 1% who actually want to understand this. Watch till the end, because I'm not just going to show you the problem. I'll give you real, practical solutions. Oh, and if you're serious about figuring this out, hit that like button now. Reason number 1, paycheck disappears. Here's the thing, most people aren't broke because they don't earn enough. They're broke because the system grabs their money first. Rent, bills, insurance, credit cards, and whatever is left barely scratches the surface. You work hard, but your money disappears before it even reaches you. Control your debt before you upgrade your lifestyle. Making more money won't help if your debt grows faster than your income. Reason number 2, banks profit from debt. Most people think banks exist to keep your money safe. Not true. Banks make money by lending and collecting interest. When you take a loan, they don't hand you real cash, just digital numbers. But when you pay back, that's real money, with interest. The risk is yours. The profit is theirs. Only take loans for things that can generate more income or grow in value. Avoid borrowing for cars, gadgets, or lifestyle upgrades. That's how the system traps you. Reason number 3, credit card are a trap. Credit cards feel smart and convenient. 0% APR, rewards, cashback.
But the real money is made when you don't pay the full balance. Minimum payments keep you paying forever. The longer you carry debt, the more the bank earns. Quietly. Pay your card in full every month, or don't use it at all. Think of it as a tool, not free money. Reason number 4, emergencies are profitable for banks. Without savings, every emergency becomes a loan. Car breaks down, medical bill, boom, you're borrowing at the worst time. Banks love these moments. Emergency loans are insanely profitable. Solution number 4, build an emergency fund. Even a small one works. Stop borrowing for emergencies, and you remove one of the system's strongest levers over you. Reason number 5, the system doesn't change. You wonder why the system never changes? Because it works. It keeps you busy, stressed, and distracted. While you struggle, banks keep profiting. This isn't a glitch, it's intentional. Stop reacting emotionally. Learn how it works. Once you know the rules, you stop being a victim. So how do you beat it? It's actually simple. Keep debt low. Build valuable skills. Live a controlled lifestyle. When you're no longer a slave to debt, banks stop profiting from you. And that's real freedom. If you're still watching, you're in the top 1%. Comment debt if this video opened your eyes. Like this video if you want more real talk. And subscribe. Next time, I'll show step-by-step how people legally beat up
the system and take control of their finances.